Hi there, my name is Dustin Doney. I wrote my first abstract on an article that I read called Helping People Doesn't Always Mean Pleasing Them. It's by a woman named Erin Dooley, and it is based on the thought that critical communication is more effective in a professional work environment than what a lot of people do now with their employees and coworkers, which when a problem arises, it's easier to sugarcoat things and kind of tiptoe around our coworkers. So the long and short of the paper are that Erin received some communications training where she watched a TED talk, and the speaker was a gentleman named Dr. Stephen Cortez. He, in his experience, has found that the critical communication is actually more effective for him. And he's actually a doctor that primarily works with homeless people. So basically, rather than being nice and sugarcoating everything, he's blunt, he's to the point. He might try to trigger people with actions and words, but he finds that that's more effective than being nice in the long run. He gets a better result from it. So Erin took that. She created an online course called How Should I Handle This? And um, basically what it comes down to is she tries to teach people on that course how to be a little more critical. Um, I personally found the article interesting. I used to work for IGA as a department manager. I oversaw two departments. Before that, I was a shift supervisor. So a lot of management. And with that, my boss that was over me, a lot of the times would talk to employees. For example, if he had to pull someone in for a write up, he would start by saying stuff like, "We appreciate all your hard work and we like having you work for us, but," and then he would go into the problem with their labor, as opposed to just coming out and saying, "Hey, look, this is the problem. This is what we need to be doing to fix it. This is when it needs to get fixed." Kind of a blunt, to the point thing. Whereas with this paper, that would be more of how I saw fit to manage. But I would kind of change my style to fit his because he was my boss. So I thought the paper was very informative, and I thought it was a good read. So that's it, and I thank you.